the issue is really pretty straightforward. Like it was a gun rationing case. That's, like the 1 in 30, that's kind of what it's become known as colloquially. But I think just calling it gun rationing is really what is the clearest way of explaining what it is, because that's what they were doing. And there are all sorts of, aside from the legal constitutional angle of like, well, here's what we argued in court about why it's unconstitutional. But from a practical perspective, there were all sorts of reasons that it didn't make any sense. And that, it not only infringed on the legal rights of California residents, but like in practical application, it created a big problem. I mean, you could imagine a new shooter who wanted to come in and buy a somewhat larger gun to train with and a smaller gun to carry in their purse, or someone who was taking up a new, yeah, a new shooting sport who needed to purchase a shotgun and a rifle. Um, the applications, are you can imagine, like all sorts of ways that people might need to buy or want to buy more than one gun in a month span. They could buy a gun and have it break and need to go back 2 weeks later to buy a new one, even if they're buying the same gun again. And for the government to arbitrarily say no, too many guns for you, was a big problem. So we're really thrilled to have this one off the books. It's a nice win, and we continue to chip away at the California gun control behemoth.